Hey fam, quick update on the market starting from BTC. Looking at the 3-day chart, we are currently printing a 3-day bullish divergence. The price action on the lower time frames is rather choppy, but on higher time frames it is looking rather positive with this higher time frame divergence, which is something that we have been waiting for at least since the first peak on the RSI a few weeks ago. We then got the rejection at 94k, which is yearly open, came back down to print the divergence, which is a higher time frame positive signal. So I do think it is possible that through this divergence we will at least retest 94k, which is yearly open, and possibly the 102k area, which is the weekly simple moving average. What we need to consider though is that the monthly open at 90,300 and yearly open at around 94k is still resistance zone. So from this 3-day divergence we will need to see a market structure break for a move higher. As long as that is not the case, it is possible that the price will be kept below this area. Regarding USDT dominance, similar confluences to BTC, the 6.50 to 6.70% zone is a higher time frame resistance zone. We now have a 3-day RSI and OBV bearish divergence and a 2-day bearish divergence as well, which is a rather negative signal for the index, which does support a move higher in the market in the near to mid-term. The 5.90% area and overall the monthly open at around 6.04% remain big support zones that can cap the upside potential of the crypto market. But overall, I'm not as bearish as I have been in the last few weeks, at least not when it comes to short-term price action. Overall, I do think that the macro structure for BTC still does not look as good, but I do think it is possible that in the next few weeks we get a retest of the 100k area, give or take. What will be very important is the performance of the S&P 500. We recently had a 3-day bearish divergence on the index, and it reacted from this divergence with a 2.5% drop, now battling at around the monthly open area, which will be important as well. If this 3-day divergence fully plays out, I can see us dropping slightly more in the next few days and weeks, and this will certainly influence the crypto market as well. So this is something to keep an eye on. If this remains stable and potentially even invalidates this divergence, then it looks good in the crypto market for a push higher. And as I said, volumes are a bit low, price action is a bit choppy, so I'll suggest you zoom out and look at the higher time frame structures and triggers instead of looking too much into the lower time frame price action. So hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and stay safe trading over the weekend. Cheers.